Hey guys, it's Corey. Hey, I am currently out on my boat and went to start it, and it will not start. And I think it's because the battery is dead, and I reversed the positive to the negative while boosting it. But nonetheless, so I think this is my own fault. But nonetheless, what we've got going on here is I turn the key and nothing works. I have power to everything else on the boat, but I turn the key, I don't hear the tone, and the motor does not obviously start. So I just popped the cover off. Obviously, all you do on the back is pull that little lever. Then you'll be able to lift this off. And then there's a little black, this is a Suzuki, Suzuki 4-stroke 50 horse. So there's a little black cover that goes right here somehow. And I just pulled that off. And then you look at the back here, and I looked at this and saw that it had two fairly heavy gauge wires, and I popped this cover off. There's two fuses in there, two 30 amp fuses, and the one that stands out is the one that's in use. The other one is actually just an extra, which is kind of cool. So what I believe is going to happen here is I'm going to be able to pull this main fuse out, this 30 amper, and swap it with the other one, and hopefully that'll resolve everything that we got going on here. I'll find out here in half a second. All right, so that was it. Should have tone here when I turn my key. Yes, so that controls your fuel pump and all the ignition components. So if you have that issue going on, check your main fuse. All boat motors are going to have one. This just happens to be a Suzuki, but check your main fuse. And if you don't have one, if you're stuck out on the lake, you could just take any piece of metal. You know, it would probably work good as like a fishing hook. You'd better bend and stick it across there just temporarily. That's not a safe fix, but it will temporarily help you get home. So you could just stick any piece of metal from one side to the other to complete the connection. So good luck, guys. Thanks for watching.